The problem is this implant. We have to extend it, trying to cover it between the implant site and as I show you earlier, my videotapes, you have to cover it, and then I have to cover it all the way here too. Well, so unfortunately we have to cover the all implant site, which is lower. Another site and 7-star cases just came out from milling machine. And here is the model, the prototypes, the 5 implant. So we start to cut it this, and then make it better shape, contours, especially pontic. Okay, it's now completely finished the frame design with site and 7-star cases. And unfortunately, we have to close as much as possible, because patient doesn't like to see any matter. So what I do is underneath and a little bit open, about 5/10 millimeter. So I opaque, and then very little porcelain underneath. The finers, I know they had a hygiene issue too, trying to open it up as much as possible. Now we set up mounting. This is PMMA, which is we try, and then I can check the occlusion contact as well as the room for the final. So then I can finish them up. Now after opaque. Now 3-piece with the site and 7-star case. Really good. Incisor thickness, so protects fracture. Made intentionally is white, and then we can give them color graduation for the pink. Great occlusion speed. The uni bridge. So then we can make this beautiful site and 7-star cases is long span ponic. The problem is this implant. We have to extend it, trying to cover it between the implant site and as I show you earlier, my videotapes, you have to cover it, and then I have to cover it all the way here too. Otherwise it will get irregular shape, contour. So that cause has the more hygiene issue, but not much I can do for the patients once really the aesthetics for that. So we're trying to cover it, trying to cut it, but make it slightly longer. Make some little bit cleansability. And this is what we're looking at. And the finers here, framework. So we can cut a little bit. I like the really protective occlusions for all zirconia. Color is right, value is good. Okay, now I'm gonna add together. So now it's almost final, and just make sure our outline for the tooth numbers we cover here. by using the disc. Just a little bit grinding in between the tools, just a little bit more. Really good. So we initially approaching to the line, trying to cover with all the way here, which is hygiene issue, right? So we're trying to cover this. And as you saw my previous design, I did not go to all the way here, trying to make this even though hygiene. Okay, so this one. That's my design goal. And then we make this and trying to bring it in the back, the 5 implant, and then it's a little bit different directions, and the huge panic, another panic too. So we fabricated, just cover it unfortunately. So we cover everything. We're going to sandblast too, and then we just cover exactly what we have to do. Okay, and trying to make some little room for access, and then they can clean underneath if they need it. And here's the finers, the illustrations like this. Okay, just fit like the glove, and then I really like the tissue contour, which is less gloss, not less shiny. I'm sorry. So make the good tissue contour from that, and then make the good color. And here's this monolithic, and here's another monolithic too. So finish mode. Now we're going to cement. You saw all my cementation, so it will be pretty much the same concept posteriorly, and then we cement this interior to feel just a little tiny bit embrasure with the cement gap. Alright, so after cement, and then we finish the another Titan 7-star case, and from the ST5, the verification jig with a provisional. Then we made this another skull. We articulate it with articulations. Okay, check the extrusion, which is another hybrid here. So that one is the great fineness. Okay, so not only aesthetics, then we're trying to give them longevity and trying to make the cover it with the aesthetics from the patient's wide open. And now we finish up. Alright, thanks for watching.